Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G11 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first for a while hold the application and drag this up to another one, and now we can see here the new created home screen folder on our device screen. If you want to add here more applications, that doesn't matter. That's the another folder. Just hold for a while the app and drag it here. We can give a name here to this folder. Just click to edit name and enter the apps. Click then to OK, and now we can see that these folders we have to the same, and just moto folder. So we just rename successfully this folder. If you wanna move this folder on the screen, that's not a problem. Just hold it and drag it by this way. We can also move this folder between the screens, and we can create a new screens for the folder. So as you can see, that's so simple to do. So let's just go back to the first home screen, the main one, and here if you want to remove the folder from the home screen, the application from the folder, just hold it and drag it here to the home screen. Or if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, hold it and drag it here to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this app here in apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.